You know what
Hi,
that
Joe.
is? That's not just an ordinary garbage can. That is a meat digester and fat digester. So it's basically you take a steel garbage can and you drill a bunch of holes so much off the bottom of the garbage can.
Yeah. Oh, he's going to start barking.
No, don't start barking.
So,
Don.
it's the kitty. No, Kahu, don't. It's Merlin.
So anyway.
Merlin.
So anyway, and then what you do is you put all your fat
Yeah.
and, you know, old meat in there that's spent. You can come and look at it if you want.
Okay.
It doesn't smell. There's bugs in there that eat everything down. It smells a little bit, but it's not rotten. They eat all the stuff off
Oh,
of it.
God.
You're not
So
going to like the
gross.
smell of it.
It's gross.
That's what a digester
Oh,
is.
it does smell.
Okay.
But you don't smell it when it's in that can.
So we're putting some of the old chili in there because it's got fat in it. And then just put the lid on it. So
Yeah.
the raccoons, rats or whatever don't get into it. So because it's drilled holes in the bottom, they're like mealworms. They're like little beetles and stuff.
Yeah.
And you open it up and they just be eating all the meat off of it.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
because you don't want to be putting that stuff in your compost.
No,
Otherwise
no.
you're going to get rats. So that's called a digester.
The
And it's easy.
digester.
Just get a small drill and like about 1/8 of an inch in
And you
diameter. You
drill.
can't see them because
yeah,
it's buried. You bury it in the ground.
basically those are,
Below the
they're
ground.
all
They're all
below the ground.
Yeah.
So it's
Works
a great
good.
idea.
We've had it for how many years? 4 years?
Yeah.
Maybe 5 years. It
Yeah,
works
and
really well.
it's not that full. Like,
No, and we've been putting stuff in it for
oh
years.
yeah,
So it
turkey
does go down.
carcasses, chicken bones,
Fat. Yeah, you pour
fat,
the fat from your,
steak, yeah.
everything in there. So
Steak
it's a perfect
bones.
spot. You don't smell it out here.
No, you don't. No,
it's a
I just
digester.
smelled it now because you took the lid off.
I mean, you could Google it. You could
But,
Google that meat digester, food
yeah,
digester.
totally.
So it's not a compost. It's different. Don't put
No.
green stuff in there.
Yeah.
You just put your fat and your waste meat and stuff in there. So
Yeah, it's very cool.
yeah. So try a digester. They're easy to make. You can make them out of plastic too, but I think the steel one's good.
Yeah, probably the steel because the rats would chew through plastic. So anyway, there you go.